Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on Kaspa. We're doing a full update again. The bulls have won. As most of you know, I've covered Kaspa quite extensively for the last week or so. I think the last time we covered it was around here on Monday. And there, like overall, just to talk about the market structure of Kaspa, and we'll do a full analysis in this video, don't worry. But to talk about the general market structure, the situation basically was that since Wednesday last week, Kaspa was bullish, but the market overall was still more bearish than bullish. And Kaspa was also getting some bearish confirmations right here by breaking down below 4 cents and to hold that as a resistance. That ended on Monday/Sunday, but then it also gave up some mixed signals. And then after breaking above 4.1 cents, I think it's pretty clear that Kaspa is bullish for now. All right. So as some of you know as well, I was in a short from this area. I closed that around the entry. All right. Because the moment 4.1 cents broke, it just was pretty clear that Kaspa was going to be bullish. So no, I'm not short anymore. I'll give you my full thoughts on what I expect from here, because right now, I mean, especially after also breaking above 4.2 cents, for example, Kaspa 100% is bullish right now. So we'll talk about where that can go. What's the next price target? Could we actually get some all-time highs? Because that is a possibility. We're actually getting pretty close right now. It's only about it's still quite a way up there. It's still 15%, but it could get there. So we'll talk about all of that. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guide. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. But for now, let's get into Kaspa. So Kaspa overall, before we dive into the technicals, we have to take a look at some statistics, some fundamentals, I would say. Oh, that's not how we're going to find it. First of all, if you take a look at open interest and volume, you can see that that's growing. But it is actually growing very slowly, and there's not that much growth in it. Like the volume is still growing from here, but there are also some peaks and some oh, that's not how we're going to find it. Some peaks and then also some valleys, like it drops down. Right now it's relatively high, but it's also not huge. So the thing is that open interest and volume actually doesn't look that great for Kaspa right now, but it's doing amazing. And right now it's at this resistance level around 4.4 cents. Which actually isn't broken right now. It's still resistance, like we're at that 0.618 fib. So it's a pretty crucial level for Kaspa right now. I would say the most likely scenario is that this 4-hour candle will break above that level around, well, it's 0.0442. And if it's able to break above that, we're going up to 4.75 cents, 4.85 cents. And from there, we'll see again. I'll keep updating Kaspa. Whether it's possible to get an all-time high or not depends a lot on how much resistance Kaspa can get here. But also, if it can break above the 0.618 right now. So, like I said, that 0.0442 area. Like at this point of time, it looks very likely that it will break above that. Because this candle started 30 minutes ago, is quite bullish, right? So if you would only take a look at that, you would say, all right, it's going to break. But it could also happen that this just turns into a spike and that Kaspa is not able to break above that, which is still fine. Like even if Kaspa doesn't break above the area with this candle, it still probably will do later and do something like this, right? So in the end, I do think this is the most likely scenario. I think there's a small chance that if Bitcoin crashes today due to the inflation rate or something, that Kaspa is unable to do it. But then, like Kaspa would need to break down all the way below 4.1 and 4 cents. Then it's confirmed that it's bearish, and then we'll drop down to 3.6 cents. So this is really the doomsday scenario. It's the most bearish scenario. Is this a possibility? Yes, but it's only a possibility if Kaspa is not able to break above 0.0442 with this candle, which already is unlikely, and if Bitcoin starts crashing down below 25,600, which it depends on the news today, but it's I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's going to do that much with Kaspa, because the correlation is also not that high. So it just seems most likely that this is going to happen. I'll keep you updated on that, but that's my take on Kaspa for now. So thank you for watching. Take care.